Hey, and thank you for tuning in to today's episode here on Long Farms. Got all 4 generations out today. Go out here and do a little cow feeding. Got both farm bosses in the cart at the same time. Not sure which one's the main boss, but Dad's finishing unrolling that hay as I was on kid duty, and her and Granddad took off in the golf cart to go do a little counting. Talk about efficiency. Got Mama eating the hay, which helps produce the milk, and got the calf is right there on the tap, so pretty efficient in my book. As y'all may not have figured out, my little girl loves these cows and calves, and just being out walking around. So already getting an early jump start on her school learning with her counting, so she likes to walk down through here and help us count them whenever we feed. Number 16 here, she's a little tender-footed. She's favoring her right front hoof, so not quite sure if it's her hoof or her leg, so or maybe it could just be some mud packed up in her hoof, but hopefully here in a day or so she's eating good and not acting funny, other than just a little limp, so that's always a good thing. Got a little sweetie on here with me. Hey, Gracie. Robin. Hey. Sorry, it's old hard a camera, steer a tractor. You all know toddlers. Here we go. Gracie's favorite thing to do is come out here and treat this squeeze sheet like a jungle gym. Hang on, sweetie. Okay, so it's good. Hang on, here, we gotta take this off. There we go. Here, watch your hands. There you go. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we got some wild calf in here. She's hard to tame. Alright, so we've come down here. We're gonna replace this gate here. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it's got a pretty good bow in it, not sure what caused that, but we're gonna take it off the hinges, put in this pretty good sized gate here, the 12 foot 7 bar. It's got a 2-inch on the pipe, so it'll be pretty hefty, but first gotta take it loose here. This gate's seen better days. Kind of like Vols football. They've seen better days, and so has this gate. Why in the world am I using this ratchet when I got a perfectly good 1/4-inch drive impact gun at the barn? But to hang this gate here, we gotta use these pins that will go all the way through the post. We've got some in here from this gate here, but they're just a little bit smaller. This is a new one, so take these out and we'll ream the holes out and put these in. Hopefully get this gate hung before it gets dark. So we got a couple visitors. So we're going to have to drill out this post, those bigger pins to fit. So I got my trusty little 1/2-inch Milwaukee drill and this Irwin bit. And it's long enough where it'll go all the way through the post, so let's get the drilling. Back last year, back in the summer, we put in this new fence here, but the fence used to come from the corner diagonally across the tree and then kind of go down diagonally down the corner down there. But this is where when we work the cows, bring them from this field down, then run them up through here up to the barn. But as any of y'all know, that most of the time cows don't go where you want them to. It takes a little bit of coaxing. Have this big old area here, and sometimes they come up here and get the circling and run back the other way. So we cut all this open area down to 12 foot, so less likely for them to get anywhere they can turn around. But then also put this gate here, so when we run them up through here, we can close this gate, and that way if they get away from us up there at the squeeze chute, they can only go so far to where this gate is, and they gotta stop. If you're gonna be hanging a gate, especially heavy duty, but it's also good for any size gate, is to get your post here, and then make sure and brace it, and then take its tie wire and you cross it, and then hook it in there, and that pulls it tight, and it pulls these posts tighter together. It makes it a lot stronger instead of just hanging the gate off of a single post. So since this gate's so big, it comes with 3 hangers, so done adjusted that one there, and already drilled a hole, so now I just gotta put it through and do some little adjustments, and should be good to go here in a few minutes. Well, we got the gate hung up here. Got everything pretty well straight, so just gotta bring a block down here to put down there at the bottoms. Even with the braces and the wire holding the gate up, it just put a block under there. It keeps just the dead weight of the end of the gate. Give it something to rest on. We got that project crossed off our to-do list, but thanks for tuning in. Before you go, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and also the bell out to the side. That way it sends you a notification of whenever I post these videos. But also just be with all the people down in Texas and everywhere that's been affected by the recent winter storms. Just keep them in your thoughts and prayers if y'all could. But thanks for tuning in, and catch y'all next time.